I'm just going to talk you through an install that we've done this week. So this week the install was done in this transit van, and it's for a client over in Spain that they're going to use this system for cleaning with the drones. So it's got 3 different services that this van will do. It's got low pressure, high flow rate chemical application. So it allows you to mix chemicals together with water and apply it out the end of the nozzle. So if you're flying the drone, you can apply it for cleaning cladding, render and things like that. We've got high pressure cleaning, so we can just clean with high pressure, 15 litre per minute, 200 bar. That's what this particular client wanted. And then it's got purified water for the glass face aid cleaning as well. So you can use that with the high pressure purified water, and then we can use the Mazzoni boiler on there as well, which will heat the water up to sort of 100-120 degrees at the nozzle. And then we've got one hose reel that shares, the 2 engines share this one hose reel. We can select which engine we want to draw from, whether we want to draw from the chemical pump or whether we want to draw from the high pressure pump, and then it goes through this actuator, which we can turn the actuator on and off with this remote control. So while we're flying the drone, we can turn the flow of water on and off. Then we've got hose reel in here. This is a motorized hose reel, so to wind it in with 100 meters of 1/2 inch high pressure hose on there. So you can pull that out and work 100 meters away from the van. And then we've got 2 additional reels, which we'll show you afterwards, that allow you to connect in and tether the drone for cleaning with the chemical or the high pressure. So while we're at the back of the van, we've got port plates here. This is to fill in the tanks. And it's got a window cleaning system in the back, so it's going to discharge wastewater when you're cleaning, so that will come out the back there. And then we've also got a window cleaning pump in there. Well, it's a high current pump in there, so if you're going to do any ground level cleaning with water fed poles or rotational solar brushes and things like that, we've got a port plate there. We've got an external plug socket on there, so that it's got a 3-pin plug. We can plug, so it's got we can plug into there. And then we've got inside the van, because it's going over to Spain, we've got a twin Euro socket, and then we've got a twin UK socket there, so we can use that for charging these batteries up or whatever, or it can power this large booster pump there. That large booster pump is for the window cleaning system, so that the water is produced quicker to keep up with the flow of water for the drone. If we go around the side, we've got reverse osmosis, auto fill and flush window cleaning system. This is the high current controller and the pump, so regulates up to 19 litres per minute. We can use it with the water fed poles as I described. And then the booster pump with this will produce the water quick enough to feed the drone. Then we've got in here we've got the chemical mixing station, which you can mix your water, your soap, your chemical of your choice, and they're in these 2 barrels here. You can select which ratio it is that you want to come through and mix together. You can operate and turn your chemical, so you could turn your chemical on, you can turn your soap on, or you can turn your water on and off, all from this remote control, and it draws it all, mixes it together and delivers it through the hose.